We always think that we need to create a brand new video every single time. We have to come up with a brand new idea. It has to be unique. It has to be different. We've never talked about this subject before. But sometimes there are weeks where you just can't record a video. Maybe you're going to be out of town. You're going on a cruise and you're not going to be recording your real estate video while you're on a cruise. Maybe it's Thanksgiving week. Your family is all in town. You're doing the cooking. There will be no filming going on that week. I get it. I was able to film one video a week for years and years and be extremely consistent, partially by planning ahead and doing batch filming, which I've talked about many, many times before. But that's if I'm going to set up the camera and record at least one video, why not film 3 or 4 back to back to back to back, get them all knocked out at once, then we're done. But I was talking with someone in my private community this morning, and we had a stroke of genius, and I thought I should share this with everybody else as well. So here is how you can make a new video when you don't have time to make a new video. Or maybe you're sick, you're lying in bed and you feel like you've been hit by a Mack truck. You do not want to be on camera, but we could still make a video. So here is the idea. We're going to remix old videos that you already have on your YouTube channel and create something new. We're going to create like a best of, an anthology, if you will. It's almost that time of year again, Black Friday and Cyber Monday, but you got to be on my newsletter list in order to be notified what's going on sale and how big of a sale it's going to be. So if you're already getting emails from videobossagent.com, you are all set. If you're not, go to my website. I will leave the link down below. Download any of my free guides and you'll automatically be added to my newsletter list. And then check your emails because we're going to start dropping some juicy nuggets the week of Black Friday and you don't want to miss it. All right, back to the video. So what sort of topics are we talking about? Maybe you've done a whole bunch of neighborhood tours and your new video could be called My 5 Favorite Neighborhoods in, and then you put in the name of your area. Maybe you've done a whole bunch of market updates. You do one every single month. What if we said days on market from January, days on market from February, days on market from March? We're going to do the entire year so that we can show what happened to the days on market over the course of the year. Maybe it's going up. And so the idea is that the longer you wait, the more the days on market increases. Stop waiting. It's time to make a decision and do this. So you're going to look for videos that are already on your channel, and we're looking for videos that have something in common. There is a theme. They are market update videos. They are neighborhood tours. They are tips for first-time buyers. They are secrets for staging your house. We're looking for a theme. And then we're just going to export a bunch of those videos from your YouTube channel. If you still have them in your editing program, amazing. If you don't, you just go to YouTube, log into YouTube Studio, and download those videos. Then import them into your editing software. And now we're just going to remix it. We're going to take your favorite clip from each one of the videos. Maybe it's a minute long, maybe it's 30 seconds, maybe it's 2 minutes, but we're trying to find a very clear beginning and ending. And then we're going to trim off everything else and delete it. So we've got a clip from video A, a clip from video B, a clip from video C. Maybe we have a second clip from video A, but it was later in the video. That's perfectly fine. And we're going to drop them all into the editing program and arrange them in a way that makes sense to you. And then voila, we have a brand new video without having to be on camera. This is so easy to do for any number of things. Maybe it'll take you an hour of time to edit a brand new video or something that your editor or your assistant can easily do for you as well. Now, if you're sitting at the computer editing them all together, you could easily do a voiceover at the beginning where you say, in this week's video, today we're going to look at blah, 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 blah. And maybe you do a little narration in between the clips or only at the beginning and only at the very, very end. But this is such an easy way to create new content from old content without having to be on camera at all. But none of this is going to work if people are not clicking and watching your videos in the first place. So watch this video next. I'm going to show you the 6 secrets to getting paying clients from videos, not just getting views.